Hey, what's up? It's me, Karwana D, your government contract strategist. I just wanted to take the time to share a powerful testimonial by my client, Gloria, who just landed her first contract in the sum of $250,000. That's right, you heard it, $250,000. Now, quick disclaimer. These results are not very typical. However, if you do the work, I promise you will get results. Okay. So anyway, just a few months, Gloria has landed her first contract. So today she is $250,000 richer than she was only a short few months ago. And this can be you. So check it out and be inspired.
I am now 58 years old. I have worked for corporate America since I was the age of 16. Never have I been in the six figures and working towards seven figures after this. Yeah, it was that determination that I'm tired of working for someone else when I know it's better. My father, he was a minister and he always used to be encouraging, always encouraging. People loved him and I love him. And it just never really dawned on me that I could do this on my own without punching in a clock from 8 to 5 and offering my business of travel, which, like I said, it was kind of slow in the beginning, but it started to pick up. But while it was slow, what I did, I actually did another business, which is Girl Power Solutions, LLC. So I can actually offer my personal service as a staffing. You know, it was during the 2020, during COVID, when everybody was shut down. There were no cruises going out. There, people just stopped traveling totally. So one day on Facebook, I got an invitation to the 5-day challenge to actually do government contracting. So I'm like, you know what? I've heard about it because I've worked many of years for a company that actually do government contracting, but of course they don't tell the worker bees the 9 to 5, how to actually just sell what you have as your talent to the government and make a bunch of money at one time instead of just from paycheck to paycheck. So when you actually did that 5-day challenge for getting myself in line for a woman-owned business, minority-owned business, I'm like, yes, I'm going for it. And I did. And after the 5-day challenge, I went ahead and I just took out my 401k and did the actual $1 trillion mastermind class with you. It was the best move I could have ever done. But, you know, during the time, it was kind of tough for me because my father had passed in the middle of that. When the first class rolled out in October, actually, I had just left the funeral that Saturday, but I still tuned in for the actual class. And I'm glad I did because it gave me the strength and the opportunity to know that whatever storm may rise in your life, you can still do it. You know, there is that inner strength within you to continue. And I always wanted to be the first one to be like the person that would be the millionaire of the family. So at the generations after me would know what wealth is really like. I'm so grateful for you that you went through it before us. Because just the parts of getting yourself as certified, the back and forth, oh no, we need this, we need that, we need this, notarize the process. Oh my God, thank you so much, Kawana. God bless you. You have opened doors for many of us that would have been just round in circles and giving up because they don't make it easy. I mean, this is not the first one that I tried. Believe me, each failure is actually a learning opportunity. Right. I had to train my mind that way as well because that first failure, you're like, I can't do this. But then again, you know what? I can, and I'm going to prove it to them that I can. Mm-hmm. I can work for the government and make good money for my services. It's really life changing. It really is. And I'm embracing every moment of it. You cannot grow without taking a leap of faith. You cannot grow yourself without believing you can do something. Now it's time for you to actually move up another level. If you don't invest in yourself, you're just existing. In order to grow, you got to invest in yourself.
Now, isn't that inspiring? Now, go ahead and book a call if this is something that you want for yourself and your business, and you want to learn a simple step-by-step strategy with my help to blowing your business to the next level, right? So go ahead and book a call. My team is waiting. Go to trilliondollargovernmentcontracts.com, submit an application. Once your application is approved, we'll give you an opportunity to schedule a call and to work with us in our program. So we'll see you on the inside.